Next one, another topic in consolidation is the time rate consolidation. So this topic discuss how long does the consolidation will take place. So it is very important when we are trying to find out the deformation or the settlement of your study. So here is the some definition and formula involved in the time rate of consolidation. The time T required to achieve a certain degree of consolidation, that is 0%, is computed by this formula. T is equivalent to HDR squared PV over CV, where yung HDR, that is the height of your drainage layer for a single drainage, and one half of height of the drainage layer for double drainage. If you remember in my previous discussion, yung ibig sabihin ng drainage, halimbawa, this is your clay layer, then above or below of this layer, meron tayong mga previous layer or mga sand layer. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng dumaan dyan yung tubig coming from your clay layer when consolidation will take place in the clay layer or malideform siya. Halimbawa, primary settlement ang nangyayari sa clay natin. So this is what we call the expulsion of water from the clay layer. So diyan, nagde-drain ngayon yung tubig natin. So, pagka sinabing single drainage, ibig sabihin yan, isang layer lang ang kanyang drainage. But pagka double drainage, so top and bottom yung drain niya. Okay? So yung height of drainage layer is 1. This is what we call the height of your drainage. Then, PV, that is the time factor. This is the dimensionless factor. Then, CV is the coefficient of consolidation. And coefficient of consolidation is a property of your soil that about the speed and how about the effect of the additional loads dun sa ating soil and its deformation. So next is time factor can be computed based on the degree of consolidation. So if the degree of consolidation is from 0 to 60%, yung TV natin is 5 over 4 times 2% over 100 squared. But if it is greater than 60%, so it becomes 1.781 minus 0.933 log of 100 minus U%. The average of consolidation, U% for an entire depth of clay layer at any time t can be written as yung U natin or degree of consolidation is equivalent to SCP over SC then multiply by 100. SCP represents the settlement of the layer at time t. Then SC naman representing the ultimate settlement of the layer from primary consolidation. Okay, let's have an example problem in the time rate of consolidation. The time required for 50% consolidation of a 25 mm thick clay layer that is drained at both top and bottom in the laboratory is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. How long in days will it take for a 3-meter thick clay layer of the same clay, the field under the same pressure increment to reach 50% consolidation? So in the field, there is a rock layer at the bottom of the clay. So first is if we have this type of problem, let's draw first the diagram for laboratory. The laboratory, it says that the thickness of clay layer is 25 mm. And then that is drained both top and bottom. So therefore, may drainage tayo dito. Drainage din tayo at the bottom. So therefore, this is double drainage. Okay, then we have now the other properties or the data about the laboratory. So the percent of consolidation U is equivalent to 50%. And then we have also 20 time. For consolidation T, this is equivalent to 2 minutes, 20 seconds. So next is, let's draw the diagram for the field. The field, so we have a 3-meter thickness of clay layer. And then this here clay layer. Then so same then amount of consolidation, 50%. Then in the field, there is a rock layer at the bottom of the clay. So let's say merong rock dito, pero yung top layer or the top layer of the clay is not indicated kung ano yung meron dito. But we can say that there's a drainage here. So therefore, this is a single drainage. Bakit natin nasabi na ito ay single drainage? Because there is a rock here. Ang rock is a impervious layer, of course. Siyempre, hindi naman basta-basta yung tubig natin ay magpo-flow papunta sa rock. Kasi nga, rock nga siya. So, solid type of material na siya. So, may mga voids but are very minimal and water is have a difficulty to pass through to the rock layer. Okay, then the question here is how long in days? How long it will take uh, the settlement or the consolidation of your soil in the field, given that yung view natin is 50%. Okay, so yung tanong dito is yung time. Okay, so ganito siya. To remember, the formula for the time rate of consolidation is T is equivalent to HDR squared TV over CV. Sabi natin that CV is a property of soil when it comes to consolidation. So we can write that the formula of the CV is equivalent to, or the coefficient of consolidation equivalent to HDR squared TV over E. Now, sabi natin, in CV in the field is equivalent to CV in the laboratory. Obviously yan, lagi yan, of course. Kasi nga, property na siya ng soil. So therefore, our formula will become HDR squared TV over T. And this is under field condition. And that is equivalent to HDR squared TV over T. And that is under the laboratory condition. Okay, so first is, let's identify all of the parameters under the field condition. The field HDR is, in the field, we have a 3-meter clay layer. So this is a single drainage. So therefore, yung HDR natin is the full height of your clay layer. So let's say that it's 3.0 meters. The next, the TV or the time factor TV. So yung TV natin is based on our percent or the degree of consolidation. Degree of consolidation in the field is 50%. Therefore, if our degree of consolidation is between 0 to 60%, our formula for TV is pi over 4 times U% over 100 and then squared. So therefore, the value of your TV is, or the value here is 0.1963495. Okay, the next, for the time in the field is T, equivalent to, this is the unknown, no? Unknown. Okay, the next for the laboratory condition, of HDR. So based on the laboratory condition, meron siyang double drainage. So therefore, that is half of the height of the layer or the soil layer. So 25 mm divided by 2. So this is equivalent to 12.5 mm. But take note, in the field condition, we're using meters in our HDR. So we can convert it into meter. So therefore, the value of our HDR is 0.0125 meters. Okay, the next, for the time factor TV, since 50% degree of consolidation, so we have 0.1963495 also. Pareho lang sila ng degree of consolidation. Then, for your T, or time T, so meron tayong time dito that is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. But our time is have a 2 units, so therefore let's combine it into 1. So the 2 minutes and 20 seconds is equivalent to 140 seconds. Okay, so let's try to compute now the time required for in the field to have a degree of consolidation of 50%. So HDR in the field is 3 meters times the time factor of 0.1963 and 495. Then HDR have a squared the formula, then divided by T, which is unknown, then that's equivalent to, in the laboratory, that is 0.0125 squared, and we have with the same time factor value divided by 140 seconds. Okay, so therefore, the time required the clay, the field, to have a 50% of consolidation is, so the time required here for the field condition is 8064000 seconds. So this is a lot of time in terms of seconds. But based on the problem, it asks us that how long in terms of days will the 50% consolidation of your clay layer in the field. So we need to convert it into number of days. So let's say we have 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. And for 1 day, we have 24 hours. So therefore, the time required in terms of days is 93.33. So this is now the final answer for that particular question.